first what I eat in a day video slash vlog. So today we're going to be going to a casting. I'm going to take you along with me. If you're not interested in that, you can fast forward. For breakfast, I'm not really a breakfast person. I don't know, I just feel very strange after I eat breakfast in the mornings. I quite like to have breakfast random times of the day, just not the morning. I'm very weird like that. But what I typically have for breakfast, if I am having breakfast in the morning, is probably an egg sandwich or an ice cold coffee. I'm going to be showing you how I make my ice cold coffee so you can make it yourself. It's very quick and easy, and you won't need to keep buying iced coffees out and about on the go because you already know how to make it at home. Cold coffee is just so good because it's so refreshing and really wakes you up in the morning, so I like to have that, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Guys, so good. Today we're going to be having jollof rice with salad and chicken. The jollof rice has already been cooked, so I'm going to make my mom's special salad along with some chicken to go with the jollof rice. I'm gonna boil some eggs and prepare the salad so that when I come back from the casting, I'm ready to make it and put it together. Let me just finish this coffee quickly and I'm gonna get ready for my casting. Let's go, guys. This is what I typically wear on my castings. It's just some black pants and a skinny slim top and another black coat and backpack. I normally wear like a plain jean, but it's in the wash, so I wore leather today. Literally sweating. I think it's because I'm wearing all leather today and it's quite hot in the UK. But we're off to the casting now. My father is kindly driving me today. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to show you guys my modeling card. So this is how it looks. And there's some photos on the back. I have to go and get some new ones because these are quite crumbled up as it's been in my bag for some time. I have to get fresh ones. But yeah, that's what a model card looks like. You use that to show the clients when you get there, like as a way to remember you, because they go through different people in the day. That card helps them to remember who you are because you take a photo there with holding the card. I'm literally holding this tripod because it keeps falling over. I need to invest in one of those camera holders for the car, but yeah, I'm gonna hold it for the meantime. But yeah, we're off to my casting. I'm really excited for this one. It's a brand that I've been wanting to work with for some time, so I hope I get this job with them. But today's just a request casting. Request casting is when they look at your portfolio online and they ask the agency to see you in person, and then they take photos of you in person. It's basically like a job interview thing, and then if they like you, they book you afterwards. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm finally going to see the warehouse, the office. I'm going to try and get some content inside there, but it's going to be very difficult. I probably won't be able to because they're very like private with the offices and their warehouses. So, but I did manage to get some content on my other castings and other model journeys on my mobile phone before. I might make a like small model diary series if anyone's interested in that. But yeah, this is my first time recording with this camera going to a casting. Okay guys, we have arrived at the casting. Normally there's no parking in these areas because we're literally in central London, so you guys know how busy it is. So my dad will just wait to see how long it'll take, because sometimes these castings can take like literally 5 minutes, so there's no point in parking or finding somewhere. So I'll go in and see how long it's gonna take, then I'll message him and say it's gonna be 5 minutes so you can wait, or if it'll be longer than that, seatbelt, or if it'll be longer than that, then he'll find a parking space and pay for a time there.
I'm gonna find a parking space and pay anyway. I don't know what you're talking about.
He prefers to just find a place to park because it doesn't like hovering, waiting around.
I'd rather pay £10 than pay £130.
In a quarter of a mile, the destination is on your left.
Okay guys, I just finished at the casting. Whoa, there's so much sun going on right now. I have to wear my mask. My dad doesn't want me to have my mask off from just coming from others. But guys, I just came back from the casting. It was actually quite amazing. Like the warehouse looked crazy. Like I wish I could show you so much more, but I literally like was so scared recording because I don't want to like be that girl that's carrying a camera trying to film everything. So I tried to be as like discreet as possible and not like get in anyone's business with my recording. The casting was quite nice and I really want this job. Wish me luck guys, or pray for me instead. So we're gonna go home and cook some dinner. Right guys, so we're ready to eat. I'm so hungry. This is a traditional African dish. I think a lot of people are getting to know this dish a lot. So I'm seeing a lot of people order it and stuff when they go out. I'm so sorry if this keeps defocusing or not. I'm just so hungry. Like I'm trying to fix it and it's still like trying to focus. I think it's because my food is in front of me. Hopefully it's in focus for most of it. Let's try this. My husband is a lucky man. I had to marry myself, bro. You have to try this recipe. Mum salad. Absolute heaven. Wait. I meant to get my metal straw. Hold on. Tiny haul. Can you do a haul if it's not close? I think so. But I bought some metal straws to go with my mason jars because I'm so onto this mason jar iced latte vibe and it bangs. Like metal straws actually make the drink so much colder and taste amazing, so I'm really obsessed. This mason jar I ordered came already with metal straws, but I didn't think it did, so I bought separate straws on its own. So these bendy straws are from a different source, but I will link both the separate metal straws and mason jars below if you're interested on being on that ice cold drink wave. This is basically like ASMR, I guess. Mukbang. It's not intended to be, but I wasn't really sure how to show you guys me eating food, so this is the best way, I guess. How do you guys feel about this what I eat in a day video? It's my first ever attempt at it and it's actually a lot of work. Like you kind of would think it's a lot of work, but it's actually a lot of work to film everything. You can't really be as fast as you want to in cooking because you have to make sure you get the shots you want. It's just a bit difficult, but I'm quite glad I did it to like attempt at it. I'm just trying out different things. Let me know if you guys like this video and let me know what you guys think I can do to make it a better video for the next what I eat in a day or what I eat in a week kind of video. So I just want to make really good content for you guys. That drink is so refreshing. So guys, I'm so full now and that is the end of my what I eat in a day. I normally eat once or twice a day depending on mood because I just find myself not eating all day and eating probably like around 6 to 9 p.m. Like I think the day just flies by and I don't realize I haven't eaten yet. So I normally have like a main dinner and then have like snacks in between the day kind of thing. I'm not doing it for diet reasons. I'm not doing it for modeling reasons. That's just the way I eat. Normally in the evening I'd have like some yams and chicken or like plantain. I don't know if I'm gonna add it to the end of this video, hopefully, but if not, I'll do it in the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.